I think what we've been trying to do through Revitalize Puna is demonstrate how government and community should be working together, and that's in collaboration. To see members of your government leadership show up quarterly, consistently, I think goes a lot to show that, hey, these people care, they're invested in our community, they're accessible, and despite the eruption happening more than 6 years ago, they're still showing up, and that says a lot. I think it says a lot about the kind of character and integrity that folks have, and they really do care about this work.
I have never seen or been in a place where people made this much of an effort to connect, whether it's county or community. And I did research before we started to see if there was any communities out there like this, and it seems that the model is typically meet once, do a couple surveys, and then just check the community engagement box. But it requires so much more than that to do the right thing. We need partnership, we need continued engagement and involvement to make sure that we're making the right choices together.
This place, I feel like, can still make a difference in the community, which is, in today's world, which is exceptional.
We saw more and more of our community members and families come out on a consistent basis, just really excited about what we had to offer. We had government leadership here to answer questions so that people could talk about challenges that they were facing, but also solutions that we could work on together. Social services, nonprofits, all kinds of resources to help folks that want to be food sustainable or support keiki.
Events like this are important because it's a regular checkpoint for government and community to come together, hold each other accountable, talk story, and make plans to move forward together.
And I think this has just been a real incredible demonstration of when we work together, we can make incredible things happen for our community. So I'm just so proud of the many hands that have been involved in making these activations a reality.